is what cycling is all about. We're near St Govan's Head at the southern end of the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Really clear, fresh air, beautiful scenery, but we're actually on a military firing range.
We do welcome walkers and cyclists here. You just need to check they're not firing before you come.
You join us in the Preseli Hills in the north of the National Park. We're just going to take a breather after climbing 1,000 feet up from sea level. The great thing about Pembrokeshire is it's a land of contrasts, and cycling is an excellent way of appreciating the landscape whilst keeping fit without damaging the environment. The good news for us is it's downhill all the way to the sea. Well, here we are at Newport Beach, one of the finest stretches of sand in Wales, and what better spot to end our ride.
We've shown you what a wonderful place the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park is for cycling. Why not come and try it yourself?